So what if I or my family member has a prior order of removal and I never left? So this is the situation that we are seeing a lot of lately, where people have ICE check-ins, right? So you are actually going to your check-in date all the time because they want to keep track of you, and you're doing it like you're supposed to do, but now they're picking you up and taking you back to a detention center, and they're issuing an expedited removal. The reason for that is because you had a prior order of removal, meaning you could have had an order of removal in absentia because you missed a court date and the judge ordered you removed. Or you could have had a voluntary departure order of removal and you never left. Or, maybe you had an order of removal, deportation, and, from a long time ago, you left, you came back. Now, when you came back, you are entered into where you have supervision and you have to check in. But now they're like, hey, we're going to remove this person, expedited, because they already had a prior order of removal. So those are usually the circumstances when prior order of removals are actually getting you expedited, deported, because you've already had something in the system and you never left, or you left and you came back, and now they're making sure that you leave again. There's also another circumstance where, let's say if you have, you couldn't get travel docs or something like that. And so, the ICE had you doing check-ins and supervision because they couldn't send you back to your home country because you didn't have a travel doc, you didn't have a passport, whatever it might be. And now all of a sudden, they're able to get that for you. And so now, they're going to remove you expeditedly. So you guys, just please be aware of this, that if you ever had a prior order of removal, understand that they are going to find out, and they, potentially you will be put back into removal proceedings, and then they're going to do an expedited removal to where you have no way of fighting it.